Don't you hate it when you see a video of someone promoting a product and you buy it and then it comes out to be total pieces of crap? That's why we're doing a follow-up video on this portable carport, portable shed, whatever you want to call it. This is all on us. We didn't buy it off of any influencer's recommendation or anything like that. We bought it because we wanted to clean the garage out, and it was getting to be winter, and I wanted a place to put stuff so we could take our time. Well, it ended up being my workshop for my washers and dryers that I repair and sell on the side. That's my day job, but I do that on the side. It's been sitting here. We knew it wasn't going to last forever, but we weren't expected to find what we found. First thing that happened, one of the supports inside over here cracked almost immediately. The first storm we had, it cracked. I want to preface this that we went above and beyond what the manufacturer says to secure it to the ground. It's got about 1,000 pounds of sandbags. We tapconed it into the cement, added extra tie downs. I actually even had, this right here was originally tied to a washing machine that was sitting right inside the corner here. We have had a lot more wind than we normally have. Microstorms, microbursts, up to 50, 60 mile an hour winds. It's still here, so that's good because we secured it. But the first one, and we would come out here and roll this up on the first when we knew we had a windstorm. It did not take long for it to rip out. Now this was not the original. That's just from it being south facing, but it ripped out of the grommets in one of the very first storms we had. It happened to be in the middle of the night, so we weren't aware of the storm. What we would do is we come out here and roll this up so the wind could pass through. Most of the time our wind comes from the west. This is facing south, but this particular storm was from the south. So I was like, whatever. We rolled it up. We had it rolled up for a few months, but this is all from the wind damage and the sun after it was rolled up. I can deal with this part. That's just comes with the territory with these, 100%. And this has to do with the wind that we've had. So the front one was, yeah, it sucked. But as it's gotten, we've had this up for 6 months now. We expected to replace the tarp in about a year and a half, because you just have to. We just didn't expect it to wear out as fast as it has. Drilled and bolted into the cement, it sheared off at the weld. And not only this foot, but that one there. So the quality of the metal is just garbage. I was kind of planning on, okay, maybe I could reinforce it and do metal roof if I wanted to keep it. Originally going to be a temporary thing, then it kind of turned into a semi-temporary. By fall, I was going to take this down anyways. But as you go through, you can see the sky. I mean, we have a lot of sun rot on this already. And we just really have only been in the sunny season for a couple of months now, because we put this up in December where it was winter, and it held up to the snow pretty decent. We didn't have a lot of snow though. It was a pretty dry year, but we've got holes all around. We got grommets tearing out. We have holes all around it, and you can see up on the ridge, it's starting to tear up there. Wasn't supposed to be my workshop. It just kind of ended up that way. And even on the side, we don't get any wind. We never get wind coming through here. And to be fair, that storm that did this door, actually we had a smaller one that was wedged in between the house and the fence, had a bunch of yard supplies in it, been there for a couple years, it was protected. It blew that over the fence. So to be fair, that storm that took this door off was not normal. But the rest of this, I mean, we come along the side here, you can see there's hole there where it's rubbed against the pole, that's pulling out, hole here, hole there. So we had to put new paracord on because the one it came with already sun rotted in just 3 months. So there you have it. This is not available on Amazon anymore, and now I kind of know why, but it gave us it did its purpose. It just kind of sucks that it didn't last very long. Now I know I want something like a more permanent carport, if I can get one. Got to talk to City about it. A more permanent structure here. It did its job there. It protected my washers and dryers, gave me a place to work in the winter. I was just kind of never did get around to cleaning out the garage though. So I just wanted to do an update on these projects, because when we put it up, we were like, this is nice. It'll be great for prepping as a temporary structure. If you got a flood or a storm and you need to move your workshop or you need whatever. It's very temporary. Very temporary. It's a couple of months before it starts breaking down. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this update on the video we did earlier about this, and catch us next time.